Hey buddy, what's up? Hey, I got a new screen recorder, so I guess this is a better one. This is for free. This is for Microsoft, and I believe it looks better. So this is the new project. I saw that now you know how to use the design feed feature, so this is great. And this is what we're gonna do. Uh, we're gonna we're gonna change the foundations of this drawing. And what I want you to do is I want you to open the file that I gave you, open it online and work it and edit it online. Or you can edit it later and just resave it. But you gotta resave it online so that the final project will be modified. Right? Just gonna see there. There I'm just playing with this new screen recorder. I hope everything goes fine. So anyways, this is the thing. I need you to replace this the inner foundations. The ones. This is the line. This is the guideline we have. We can delete these. It doesn't really matter. I remember at the end I need to know the material count. So in this case, what I need to know is to have the final distance, the final dimensions. In this case, I counted. I don't know if this is correct, but 6 point, it's got to be 65 meters or something. But anyways, we're gonna do that in a better way, and we're just gonna clean these. This is the same file you're gonna have, so this is great. It's gonna be easier for you. I gave you this. This is pretty simple. What I did, I made a multi-line. I made a justification. Just type J space and 0. I use it in 0 so you can follow all the lines. Remember, scale. Go ahead and, in your case, go ahead and put it on your computer. I made it for 200 millimeters. Remember that I always work with millimeters, so this means 20 centimeters. Anyways, that's it. And once you have that, go ahead and keep drawing the foundation. This is pretty simple. This is the whole thing you're gonna do. Once you have this, I want you to replace these into the original file. We're gonna remove these blocks, these red blocks, from the inside. Now, also, I'm gonna give you this other file. This other file has the detail. We're gonna keep working with this kind of foundation in the outer on the outer line, which is exactly the yellow lines we have here. But we're going to remove these and we're going to change the inner ones. The inner ones we're going to use is this other type. As you can see, it's got 200 millimeters. But what you gotta count is this, from this to this. So that's going to be I don't know, it's like 400. You could just go ahead and measure it. And this is what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna remove these blocks from the inner foundations, and we're gonna use every 4 meters we're gonna use a column. So I need you to draw this in here every 4 meters, right? I need you to go ahead and So for example, every 4 meters, in this case here, we're going to use a column, a little column. Go ahead and feel free to use the ones we have here, right? So this, for example, this could be a column. I don't know if I can take it. Yeah, I can take it. So every 4 meters, remember, every 4 meters we're going to use a column, or we can use, in this case we're going to use one. Definitely we're going to use one here. But anyways, we need to do that. And we're going to replace these. Remember to use to every time we draw something, we convert it to a block, because that block we're going to use it, we're going to put it here. Remember to use the origin. From every block we do, we need to have it aligned with the 0 origin. So that means we're going to put it in the final drawing, and then we're going to assign that first point here. Now remember, I always use layers, so you can turn off all the layers when you're doing that block. Remember that later on, and I know you have studied it now, we're going to give attributes to the blocks. So it's pretty important that you know how to use blocks. So if you're going to make a block, go ahead, type the B space, give it a name, inner foundations, and go ahead and select or pick the point, or go ahead and put it on 0, 0, 0. But remember that this has to be on the well, let's see if I have something. Invert selection, select all. There we go. No, it didn't actually work. There, bugger. No, there we go. Excellent. Just gonna select them one by one. Okay, to do that, there's one way. If I have to select everything, for example, I go ahead, just select one and go ahead and invert layer filter. No, wait, invert selection, and what it does is, I don't know. I just don't know. I'm just the next time go ahead and see if that works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. We're gonna put this on the original file, and we're gonna count the material. I need to have, for example, it's going to be like 65 meters of inner foundations. We don't need to count all the materials from here because it's quite hard for now. Wait, but later on, this is how it is made. So that's pretty simple. Next week, I'm going to show you, and we're going to keep working with that. Is that I'm going to show you how to give the attributes to these foundations, and I'm gonna show you, well, all the iron that we're gonna use, and on the concrete, and how do we use it, and how do we measure those materials, because at the end we're gonna need to have these materials. As you can see, I'm actually teaching you a lot of stuff because we're gonna be using this in other projects. Then later on, I'm gonna make another video. Today is Friday here, and I'm pretty much free. I don't have a lot of things to do from now to 1 or 2 more hours. So I'm gonna make another video, and I'm gonna show you a couple more things. So that's pretty much the project that I'm giving you. Remember, use the design feed. I gave you here, for example, on the tag number 2, which is this one. As you can see, it's got a 2. If you go ahead and click it there, you see, you're gonna see that I said that foundation to be changed. Now this is what you do. If you don't have for example, you're gonna open it like this, and you're gonna just see your project like this. You go ahead and type it. You're gonna see it, and if you want to reply it, which is important to do it, because once you work with that, I need you to type design feed open, and go ahead, go to the second comment, or this thing. Come on, you gotta be kidding. Yeah, internet is getting like really slow here. I don't know why. Once you're working, it's cool because you have it loaded, and it's not going to be slow. Just when you make you save them, you save the file, it's going to upload and blah blah blah. But anyways, what happened to my design feed? Oh my goodness. But anyways, let's see if I can fix this as fast as possible, because I did something here. Anyways, this is going to take a little while. But anyways, I need you to follow and check and uncheck every comment I give you. So because this is pretty important, every time you make a comment and you give save to this drawing, I'm gonna have an email, so I'll see what you've done. So I see the email that says that you already finished deleting all the foundations. So I'll keep track on the projects. That's how I do with other draftmen. So that's important. So I think this is pretty clear. Go ahead and give it a try, and well, that's it. I'm just gonna see this is a 10-minute video. I always like to speak a lot, but I don't like big videos because they are pretty heavy for YouTube. Anyways, I'm just gonna finish this video here. I'm gonna make another video showing you the rest of the project, and any questions, anything, go ahead and you can install this video recorder. It's pretty simple to do it, and so I'll show you in another video how to install for free this video recorder. As you can see, it's got a better resolution than the other one that I was using, so go ahead and try it. And well, that's it. Take it easy.